Aloha class. I wanted to do another video that for all you speedy people that really can grasp the concepts that I was trying to teach through. If you look at the videos, they're over a half an hour, so I don't want you to take over half an hour if you know how to do the entries and know the logic behind it. So I'm just going to do the entries straight through as if I know that you understand exactly what I'm doing and why I'm doing it and how long this could possibly take me now that I know the information. So, journal entry to be made to record the initial consulting services. Okay, initial consulting services. 200,000 foreign currency units at 1-to-1 accounts receivable. Sales revenue. Or not even sales revenue, sorry about that, consulting revenue. But you would get it right either way if you put revenue. $200,000. Okay. What is the journal entry to be made on 12/31 to record foreign exchange gain or loss? Gain or loss, it's going to be a gain, it went up. Gain, AR is going up. AR in foreign currency. Sorry. 2,000. What was the entry made to record the gain or loss on the forward contract? I need to reverse it to AOCI. So this was a gain, so it would be loss on the forward contract. 2,000. AOCI. 2,000. Credit. Journal entry to record the fair value of the forward contract. Okay, 0.93 to 0.99. The rate went up and I'm stuck at 0.93. So this is going to be a bad thing for me. How much? 0.06 bad. So 12,000. 12,000 bad for me, but I need to times it by how many months are left. So there was a 12,000 bad, and then I need to discount it from 2/28 to 12/31. So 2-month factor. I don't need 1 month. I don't need 3 month. I don't need 4 month. I need 2 months here. 2-month factor to discount it back to 12/31. 0.9803 times by 0.9803. 11,764. And it was a bad thing that I had locked in. So AOCI, my favorite debit or credit, AOCI, but this was a bad thing. Contract. What was it? What was the amount? 11,764. Just make sure you get it correct. You might calculate it correct and then write it down incorrectly. Forward contract, it was a liability to be in that forward contract. Using the straight line method, what is a journal entry that we made on 12/31 to record the discount expense or premium? This was the rate today. I locked in at this rate. I'm taking a loss or a discount. This is like an expense of how much? I'm taking an expense of 0.91 minus 0.93 times it by 200,000. It's 0.93 times it by 200,000. I'm taking a loss of 14,000 over the life of this contract. 4 months, 2 months. Year-end hits 2 months after, right? 11/1, all of November, all of December. I need 2 months now and 2 months when this settles. 2 months at year-end and 2 months at 2/28. So I'm going to have a discount expense, 7,000, credit AOCI. Discount expense. And it was 7,000. What journal entry to be made on 2/28 year 2 to update the fair value of the forward contract unless before any currencies are exchanged with the foreign currency bank? So to update it, I have a credit here, I have a credit in the forward contract. So what happened between here and here to give me my ending balance? 0.98 minus 0.93 equals, times it by 200,000. 10,000. 10,000 is either going to be a debit or credit in my forward contract. So over here it went really bad. It got really bad, but it needed to come back a little bit. But it's still bad. It's still going to cost me 0.05, but over here it cost me 0.06. So I know I'm going to need a debit here in order to make my credit that full 10,000. I need a credit. It's a liability. It's still higher here by 10,000. So I'm going to debit the difference between here and 10,000. Here and 10,000. Did I have that up? No. Over here, 11. I need to make sure my credit is 10,000, so I could take the difference of those two. So I need a debit of 1,764, if that makes sense to you, or 11,764 is my credit balance right now. I want my credit balance to be 10,000. So I need a debit of 1,764. 1,764. Debit the forward contract of 1,764. Credit AOCI. Yep, that's what I wanted. And then finally, US dollars. I locked in at 0.93. Let's double check. I locked in at 0.93, times it by 200,000. FCU, double check, 0.93 times it by 200,000, 86,000 US dollars is your answer. And you could do the proof on your own like we've done previously. Yep, that's your solution for these problems. Best of luck to you on the exam.